So today's point is that we can say that how to find out mole fraction. Which topic? You know that we have started, that is some basic concepts of chemistry. In that today we are going to discuss how to find out the mole fraction. Okay, so firstly, before going towards that numerical, we will discuss what is the formula. So if we consider mole fraction, that mole fraction which is denoted by symbol x, for that one we should know that number of moles. As we know that number of moles which are denoted by n. What is the n? N is equal to given mass divided by molar mass. So we can say that given mass which is denoted by symbol W, and molar mass, it is denoted by symbol capital M. For this solute we are using A, and for solvent we are using symbol B. So this is the very important terms because we are using these terms only. So if we want to discuss or if we want to write the mass of solute, then we are using the symbol that is the WA. If we are using mass of solvent, then we are using the symbol that is the WB. In this way, molar mass of solute, it will be MA, and molar mass of solvent, it will be MB. So these are the formulae. After that, number of moles of solute, for that one we are using the Na. Number of moles of solvent, for that one we are using the Nb. So in this way, different symbols we can use. For that one you should know all these terms. Okay. Now what is the formula for this one? Before going towards that, I will tell you what is meant by that mole fraction. Mole fraction of solute. Symbol will be XA. Formula will be Na divided by, in that solution, solute and solvent will be there. So there will be the sum of number of moles of solute and number of moles of solvent. Clear? So now we are going to discuss second formula, that is the mole fraction of solvent is equal to number of moles of solvent divided by number of moles of solute plus number of moles of solvent. So these are the two formulae we should know to find out the mole fraction. Before going towards that, we should know what is that Na and Nb. So what is that Na? Number of moles of solute is equal to given mass of solute divided by molar mass of solute. So what is given? Given term is that Wa. Now hope so you completed this write-up. Now we will discuss the given data. What is given in that problem? Now see, 23 gram means mass is given. Whose mass? That we will discuss later. 23 gram of ethanol is mixed with the water. As we know that water is always solvent. Okay. So in this way, ethanol is a solute, means Wa is given. Clear? Now with 180 gram of water, means again mass is given. It is 180 gram. It is of the water, mass of solvent. Clear? Now say, to make its aqueous solution, calculate the mole fraction of solute as well as solvent. Means we have to find out XA as well as XB. Clear to you? So for that one, as we know that Na is equal to Wa by Ma. Here Wa is given but Ma is not given. So molar mass of ethanol. Ethanol, its formula is C2H5OH. So for that one, 2 number of carbon, each carbon having mass number 12, plus total number of hydrogen 6 into 1 plus 1 oxygen into 16. So in this way, 12 2s are 24 plus 6, 16 1s are 16. So 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 6, 16. 46 is the molar mass of the ethanol. So here I will write it directly, that is the 46. Now molar mass of solvent, means of the water. In that, as we know that 2 moles of the hydrogen plus 1 mole of the oxygen. In this way it will be 18. Clear? Now we are going to solve this number of moles part. For that one, now see, 23 is the mass, 46 is the molar mass. So for that one, 23 divided by 46 means it will be 1 by 2, means 0.5 moles of the solute will be there. Clear? Now it's turned to calculate the number of moles of solvent. For that one, NB is equal to WB divided by MB. For that one, WB is 180 and MB is 18. So in this way, 180 divided by 18. So in this way, 18 tens means 10 moles of the solvent are there. Clear to everyone? Now we are going to calculate the mole fraction of solute. For that one, Na it is 0.5 divided by Na is 0.5 plus 10. So 0.5 divided by 10.5. So after this calculation, you will get the mole fraction of the solute. Clear to you? Now if we consider this is the given data, so you have completed, hope so, already. Now we are going to calculate the mole fraction of the solvent. For that one, NB divided by Na plus NB. Now here NB is 10. 10 divided by 0.5 plus 10. So here 10 divided by 10.5. After this calculation, you will get here mole fraction of the solvent. So in this way, here we have completed how to find out the mole fraction of solute as well as solvent fraction. Thank you all of you.